Is your Google Merchant Center account suspended for misrepresentation or another reason like website needs improvement? Don't panic, it's a classic Google move. Here are a few ways to get it unblocked. Step 1. Your website must be flawless. You absolutely need to clearly display your terms and conditions, a transparent return policy with explicit fees, and a contact page with a real email and phone number. No blurry details allowed. Step 2. Transparency. Make sure the price on your website is exactly the same as the one sent to Google. And above all, remove any fake customer reviews or unverified, misleading promises that violate Google's policies. I know, it takes time, and it's a real headache. That's why at Feedcast, we created the ultimate turnkey solution. If you are subscribed to our premium plan, getting your account unblocked is completely included. Our experts will audit your website and point out any red flags that might be blocking Google. But that's not all. Feedcast is also an AI agent working for you 24/7. Automatic AI enrichment for your product pages with a built-in studio, multi-channel management to publish everywhere in just one click, and above all, the CSS Advantage, which instantly saves you up to 20% on your Google shopping cost per click. In short, we handle everything for you. To unblock your account and scale your sales stress-free, click the link in bio. See you soon on Feedcast.